make your cereal this morning? Okay. So what is this?
This is the
Chia seed. What is this?
It's a pump.
Pumpkin seed.
You see?
What is this?
It's a pearl.
What is?
It's a pearl.
What?
It's a pearl.
This is raisins.
That's the raisins.
Don't eat no more. What is this?
This is raisins.
This is almond milk. And what is this?
There's a bottle.
Bottle? Okay, good. But this is all plant protein powder. And what is this?
There's a boat.
Oats.
Oats.
Okay, good. All right, press the button.
No.
Joe, you don't want to make a cereal?
No.
Oh, and banana is in it as well.
No.
Look at Joe,
No.
acting like a crazy man. Are you going to die of hunger?
No.
Press the button so you can start the thing.
No.
I'll press it for you. Yeah, so Joe ran away. Joe ran away. Wow. Yeah. Alright. This looks good. And now he's back. Alright, son, wait. So let's pour your cereal into
No.
Josiah, stop acting no so coward, man. Sure, stop it. Wait, no, don't put that straw in it. You're gonna put your straw in your bottle.
Hey.
That's great. Can you pour it into here? Can you pour that into the bottle? Pour it. Pour this on, pour it. It seems thick. Well, this ought to fill it for the entire day. Okay. All right. You taste it. How does it taste?
It's a taste.
How it taste?
It is.
Tastes good?
It's good.
Is it nice? I'm gonna put it on your net again. Alright, so this is yours. Let's cork the bottle. Nice.
Nice.
Cover your bottle. This might be.
Yes, sir.
Maybe the straw might be too.
It is nice.
Oh yeah, good job. Here is it.
It is.
What should you do?
Thank you.
Yeah, say grace.
It is God is good. Let us say him for food. Amen.
Amen. Drink up. I suspected it would be too thick to come through. Alright, so we have to change the straw. Alright. Yeah. You have to give it the smoothest straw. Get the smoothest straw for you. Yeah. Alright, you need to get the smoothest straw. Get the smoothest straw. Mom is back. So we finally got Josiah's smoothest straw. Here we go. Twirl it up again. Drink up. Hold it properly. Drink up. You don't come up as it. Come on, drink it up. Suck it. You come up now. Let me see. Okay, good. You're getting it. Good. So that is Josiah's power-packed protein shake. So he should be hungry maybe about 1 o'clock. Yep. So there you have it. Josiah, say bye. He can't even lift up his head. Alright.
Subscribe. 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 Subscribe.